make a delicious and yummy recipe. We can call it as Choco Balls or Choco Laddoos. For making this recipe, we need only 2 ingredients which are commonly available in our home. We need 1 packet of Parle-G biscuit and a little chocolate syrup. Okay, let us start. First, grind the biscuit into fine powder like this. Put this biscuit powder into a bowl. Just add some chocolate syrup into it. And mix it well. Our dough is ready now. Now make small balls like this. Use your hands to make perfect ball like this. You can decorate these balls with some sesame seeds. Also, you can use colored sprinkles. Finally, just insert toothpicks on these balls. So dear friends, our tasty and yummy Choco Balls are ready. Let me taste it. Yes, this is tasty and yummy. Thank you.